Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In order to fight terrorism and for carrying out major operations in Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian Army is taking all possible steps to induct various guns and weapons to counter any threats near border. In this video, we will be summarizing the various guns and rifle deals which were signed and where they stand right now. To begin with, let's discuss the deal done with the United States. India placed an order for 72,400 units of SIG 716 model rifle with SIG SAR of United States. In December 2019, the first batch of 10,000 rifles were delivered to Indian Army Northern Command. Now, post receiving and deploying the first lot of SIG assault rifles for counter-terrorist operations, India placed another order for 72,500 SIG guns for Indian Army soldiers who have been deployed on the front with China in eastern Ladakh. The requirement for such powerful guns were raised by Indian Army since they are looking for a more powerful rifle than the Indian INSAS rifles. The INSAS rifles uses a 5.56 into 45 mm intermediate cartridges, whereas the SIG 716 uses a more powerful 7.62 into 51 mm cartridge. The induction of these new SIG 716 assault rifles will help troops to operate more effectively. Apart from these assault rifles from the United States, the Indian Army will also receive a major boost with the induction of more than 7 lakhs AK-203 assault rifles, which are going to be produced in the joint venture between India and Russia. The plan to manufacture these AK-203 rifles at the Amethi factory has been under discussion for almost 2 years now. And right now, with the contract stipulating 100% transfer of technology and also possible exports in the future from the Indian plant, looks like these rifles will be very soon manufactured. As per the latest update which we received from Army Chief General M.M. Narwane, it looks like the manufacturing of these modern assault rifles is likely to get operationalized soon, as the final contract is expected shortly and all issues have been sorted out. Now, coming to the third category of guns, during March 19, 2020, India signed a contract with Israel Weapon Industries to procure 16,479 light machine guns under the fast track procedure. The gun which was selected by India was the Negev NG7 light machine gun. The procurement cost of the LMGs is around 880 crores. Indian Army received the first lot of consignment of 6,000 quantities this month, which is January 2021. The guns have been shifted to Jabalpur and are undergoing proper inspection. The rest of the guns are expected to arrive by end of March 2021 tentatively. The provisioning of this operationally urgent and very critically needed weapon will boost the confidence of the frontline troops and provide much needed combat power to the armed forces. These guns are combat proven and currently used by several countries around the globe like Argentina, Azerbaijan, Brazil, Israel, Mexico, Philippines, to name a few. The Negev NG7 is a 7.62 51 mm light machine gun, which is the only machine gun with a semi-automatic mode. And these guns are primarily used by the Israel Defense Forces, mainly in the infantry, combat engineer and special forces units. So that was a quick recap, a revisit of various guns, assault rifles and machine gun deals which India placed and where these deals stand. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.